What is this? Sari. Your mother gave me a sari when she came back from Chennai. You had gone to Chennai. Do you remember what color it was? Now see, here again. Before you bought it, you gave it to me, and but you never talked about it with the children. See, that makes a difference. Now this is something related to them. It is their class. Now that time itself, in fact, when you got the sari, see, Aditya, I have brought this sari. This is going to be for teacher. It is a brown color sari. All this you could have said there itself in Chennai. Okay, isn't it? I'm going to give this sari to, maybe you bought a sari for yourself, for your mother or your aunt or this thing. This sari I bought for auntie. Or this sari I bought for mummy. This sari I bought for myself. This sari I bought. So bought. So how to, daily living, how you can emphasize the language in their head. Otherwise, they are left out of it into what is happening. You could well have said all this. Instead of just buying a very beautiful sari, giving it to me also, but he was left out of it. Now, what it has not served any language purpose, is it? Well, it could have. It could well have, isn't it? So remember these things. All the things that you do, don't preclude your children from that activity. And this also they get now. You must be buying some presents for this thing. I am buying this for Amma or Dada or Appa or your friend or something. Say all these things. This is for her present because it is her birthday. All this creates, for one thing, socialization. And then vocabulary. That these are the things which are done. It is so-and-so's birthday, that is why I have bought it. And how much does it take you to just say it? Instead of the child, leaving the child out of the circle of your activity. This is like leaving the child out of the circle of your activity. All this activity is gone. And you have not mentioned about it. Iska kuch lena dena nahi hai. So why? How is he supposed to improve his language or even know that these are the things that are happening?